Hello, my name is Nicolas Germain. I'm the Defense Product Manager in Bertin Technologies, and I'm going to introduce you our bestseller product, which is CamSight LS, here in USB mode. CamSight LS is a low-swap thermal OEM camera with the following features: very high image quality with the full shutterless patented technology from Bertin, and it's a French sensor design and manufacturing. I'm going to present you the way to interface the camera and how it is easy to use and efficient. CamSight LS here has just a USB-C connector. I'm going to plug the cable in and then to the laptop. So on my computer I have a standard camera application for Windows, and you saw that just appeared there a second camera, so I can click on it to switch to the thermal video. Then you see here the image. Okay, on this tool I can record a video or switch to the photo mode and then made a picture of it and record it to my computer. So first feature in this application, we can choose the mode of the application. For example, here I'm in auto mode, but we are going to go to dark mode. So you see on the main screen that I have one camera connected. I can click on it and then it will automatically connect to the camera. I can make a zoom here. I have the ability to go in full screen to have a higher image. Then I can go to the polarity tab, choose the white hot, so I will inverse the polarity. I can choose the type of contrast I want to enhance the histogram. So for example, there I can go to CLAHE, which will add some details in the image. Then I can add some colorization. I have different palette of colors. For example, I can get the hot one, which is nice. I can go on the edge tab to choose the type of edge I want. For example, sharpening, which will enhance the sharpen of the shapes, or contouring, which will make the contour of current there. I can choose another color, for example iron, which is nice also, and that's it. So now you can see I launch an application on an Android phone. So you can see it detected the camera, so I can connect. Then I've got the same interface, but now it is on the phone, and I can make exactly the same type of settings that I did on the computer. So you see it's a bit different, okay, but I got the same functions. So thank you for listening, and now you can play with CamSight LS in USB.